Oh, hey.
I'm her. Like you, and I'm her. Like, yeah, I'm her.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a Telfar bag. I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to give you some simple tips and tricks on how to secure that bag. Because as we know, they sell out quickly. So, I'm just going to share what works for me and then you guys can apply that and see if you get some results. So Telfar is a black-owned luxury brand. They got really famous after Beyonce wore one of their bags. I'm always dropping stuff. So it comes in a Ziploc bag, and then it comes into a duster bag. Branding established in 2005. So excited about this color. Look at it. Oh my god, I can't believe it took me this long to open this bag. I am in love. Okay, so I took it out of the duster bag. Let's put this here next to my wine because okay. It's my medium shopping bag. It's the color azalea. It's like a fuchsia pink. It comes with the embossed logo. Right, it's got the tag on it. Let's open it up. It's like a metal snap. Look how cute that is. Now, one thing about me, I love me a structured bag. So I like the shape of Telfar bags. You know, just for sizing comparison, like this is my iPad. Right, you can fit that in there. This is my 13-inch MacBook. You can fit that in there. And you'll still have a lot of room and it keeps its structure. You see that? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Telfar is a unisex brand established in New York City in 2005. I just love the tagline personally. It's not for you. It's for everyone. Now let's talk a little bit about this bag. The cost of this bag, it's a medium shopping bag. It's $202. With tax and everything, it came up to $219.93. Shipping was free. I've never had an issue with the shipping. It is a little pricey, but I just love this bag, and they're so the quality is amazing. Like the one that I use almost every day is a gray one, and it's still good. It hasn't peeled or anything like that. So it's not leather, it's vegan leather. Vegan leather. Now, what vegan leather is, from my research, is just a faux leather that may or may not be made of sustainable materials, right? I'm gonna get into some quick tips on how to secure this bag, because if it works for me, I mean, it might work for you, right? Because they just sell out, especially like the more neutral color, the black, the brown, the tans, they sell out so quickly. So tip number one, follow Telfar Global on Instagram. It's the best way to stay up to date on the brand, what's dropping. They let you know the dates in advance and what colors are coming out so that you can prepare yourself, prepare your coin, prepare to purchase it if that's the color that you want or what have you. It's just a great way to stay up to date with the brand. Also, the official website is linked to the Instagram, which is important because there's a ton of fake websites that will take your money. It's a scam. It's a scam, sis. So the official website is shop.telfar.net. Okay? Trust me, if you type in Telfar on Google, a whole bunch of scammy sites are gonna pop up, and like, nobody got time for that. So tip number two is to subscribe via email to Telfar's notifications. They will email you and let you know what's dropping. That one, it doesn't really work for me because I don't really check my email like that. But on Instagram, I just put the subscription bell on, the notification bell, so that I get notified when they post, which is a little dangerous because then I buy more than I need to buy. So proceed at your own risk. But that way you never miss, you know, what's on the up and up. But if you check your emails, your email notifications come directly to your phone, I would suggest to subscribe to Telfar's emails. Tip number 3, make an account on the website. Don't wait until they drop the bag that you want to be out there trying to, you know, speed through and make an account, because while you're making an account, people are just buying it, buying it, buying it, buying it. So I would suggest to make an account in advance. Tip number 4, Klarna. If you don't know what Klarna is, look it up, okay? Klarna gives you the ability to split any payment into 4 equal payments, interest-free. Then you're paying those every 2 weeks. So personally, I love to use Klarna because I buy a lot of stuff. I buy a lot of things. So it just, you know, I don't like to see all the money leave my account at once, because it's just, it hurts my soul. So Klarna is useful because Telfar has Klarna directly on their website, so you can just make your whole entire purchase through Klarna when the bag drops. And tip number 5 is to wait.
So the recording got messed up, so bear with me. Tip number 5 is to set your alarm. Make sure you set an alarm, because Telfar specifies exactly what time they're going to drop a bag, a new bag color, or a new bag collaboration or apparel. So just set an alarm maybe 15-20 minutes before that time, so you can have time to go and log in on the website and set yourself up so that you can be the first or one of the first to make the purchase, so that the bag does not sell out.
But thank you for tuning in. This is my Telfar. Hope my information was useful. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Come again.
I'm her. Like you, and I'm her. Like, yeah, I'm her.